And they're off in the Pennsylvania Derby. Iron Fist being hustled out of there. Mr. Z steps out from the outside. Battle midway comes on. Islandtown on the inside. Frosted will be taken back. Frosted is sixth and down inside as they pass under the line for the first time. Mr. Z quickly able to cross over, and he'll lead the way to the first turn. Mr. Z on top. Moving up three wide is Islandtown with Iron Fist in between horses. Frosted a spot down inside. He'll be fourth now as they round that first turn. Upstart comes on outside to be fifth. Battle midway is sixth. Made from Lucky and Tommy Macho. The two Pletcher horses are on the outside of the racetrack. They're side by side going to the back stretch, both just about 6 lengths back right now. Another 2.5 to late running War Story was at the back 24-1. So that is a pretty slow first quarter here for Mr. Z, who goes to the 5/8 pole in front 3/4 of a length. Iron Fist up and on the pace. He's second on the outside. It's now about 3.5 to Islandtown. Frosted moving up to his inside. Those two now both moving a bit closer with a half mile to go. Upstart lost a bit of ground. He's fifth on the outside, just better than 4 back, matching fractions for a half of 48-2. Could be a sprint to the finish here in the Pennsylvania Derby. Iron Fist going up after Mr. Z, so Iron Fist gets first run. They round the far turn. On the inside, Mr. Z. On the outside, Iron Fist. And Iron Fist goes by to take the lead, but here comes Frosted. He looms a factor now. He makes his bid on the outside. Tommy Macho within striking range. War Story trying to make a bid from way back, but they come off the turn, and here comes Frosted. Big surge from Frosted on the outside, and Frosted has taken the lead outside the 8 pole. Iron Fist on the inside second. Tommy Macho trying to close late on the outside, but Frosted pulling away. Look at Frosted. Frosted a length and a half. Make it 2. Iron Fist giving his best, but he's second best to Frosted, who is full of run at the finish. Frosted streaks home a 2-length winner.